This Airtop template automatically monitors LinkedIn and news articles for B2B buying signals, so you can know immediately if a company might be interested in buying your product. It's like having an SDR that never sleeps. Here's how to use it.
To get started, just click Try Agent. This opens Airtop's AI Agent Builder. You can chat with the Agent Builder to tweak the automation however you like. The results will be stored in a Google Sheet. You can create one yourself and give Airtop the link, or you can have Airtop create one for you. Let's have Airtop do the work. In the Accounts tab, you can list all the companies that you want to track. In the Signals tab, you can list out specific buying signals for the agent to look for, like new job posts, product launches, or funding announcements. Once the Google Sheet is set up, Airtop will run the automation to make sure everything's working properly. After the test, you can check the results in the Log tab of the Google Sheet. If everything looks good, then it's time to deploy your brand new agent. You can deploy the agent without scheduling it, or you can schedule it to run hourly, daily, or weekly. You can run the agent anytime from the agent dashboard. Just click Run. Running the agent costs way fewer credits than building the agent. You can also integrate the agent with platforms like N8N, Make, and Zapier in the Connections panel. Well, folks, that's all there is to it. Feel free to adapt this template to your needs and start raking in those new sales.